Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how you can save the original quality of a photo or video you take with your Instagram app. First, we will quickly check if Instagram is updated. To do that, we go to the App Store or Google Play Store. We find Instagram, and if there is an update button, we click on it. Wait for it to update and then open Instagram. When we open Instagram, we go to our profile, which is located in the lower right corner. After that, click on the three dashes in the upper right corner. From the options offered to us, we select Settings. A number of options open up here. The one we need is Account. We click. In the options that open to us, click on the original photo. By clicking on the switch, we turn on the Save Original Photo option. This is very useful because unedited images will be stored in our gallery. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.